In this video, we will talk about the rarest woman in the world, possesses these 8 virtues, Stoicism. So make sure to watch the full video. In a world where virtues seem increasingly rare, there exists a beacon of inspiration, the embodiment of 8 timeless virtues that elevate the human spirit. Meet the rarest woman in the world, a paragon of strength, wisdom, and grace. Through her embodiment of courage, wisdom, temperance, justice, resilience, compassion, humility, and gratitude, she stands as a testament to the power of virtuous living. Each virtue serves as a guiding light, illuminating her path and inspiring those around her to aspire to greatness. With her unwavering commitment to these virtues, she reminds us that true fulfillment lies not in the pursuit of external validation, but in the cultivation of inner strength and character. 1. Virtue of courage. In the crucible of life's trials, she stands resolute, embodying the essence of courage. Each challenge is met with a steadfast resolve, transforming fear into fuel for growth. Her indomitable spirit serves as a beacon of inspiration, illuminating the path for others to follow with unwavering determination. With a heart unyielding in the face of adversity, she embraces discomfort as an opportunity to evolve, emerging from the flames of hardship stronger, braver, and more resilient than before. Her courage knows no bounds, empowering her to confront life's uncertainties with unwavering conviction and unwavering grace. She inspires those around her to confront their fears and embrace their inner strength with courage and determination, reminding them that true bravery lies not in the absence of fear, but in the willingness to face it head-on. 2. Wisdom in thought. Delving into the depths of knowledge, she seeks wisdom with an insatiable thirst for understanding. Through introspection and contemplation, she unravels the intricate tapestry of existence, navigating the complexities of the human condition with clarity and insight. Her thoughts, like constellations in the night sky, guide her journey through the vast expanse of life, illuminating the path with the brilliance of enlightenment. In the quiet depths of contemplation, she finds solace and clarity, discerning truth amidst the cacophony of conflicting ideologies and opinions that populate the world. Her quest for wisdom is relentless, driving her to explore the depths of human experience with an insatiable curiosity and boundless intellectual curiosity. She inspires those around her to seek knowledge and understanding with an open mind and a thirst for truth, reminding them that true wisdom is found not in the accumulation of facts, but in the pursuit of deeper understanding and insight. 3. Temperance in action. Balanced and composed, she moves through life with grace and restraint, avoiding the pitfalls of extremes. Each decision is tempered by a mindful awareness of consequence, guided by the principles of moderation and self-discipline. With an unwavering commitment to equilibrium, she fosters harmony within herself and the world around her, embracing a life of measured tranquility amidst the chaos of existence. Her actions are deliberate and purposeful, guided by an unwavering commitment to integrity and a steadfast adherence to the principles of moral rectitude. She embodies temperance in all aspects of her life, finding strength in moderation and balance in every endeavor. She inspires those around her to live with intention and mindfulness, embracing a lifestyle of moderation and self-discipline, and reminding them that true fulfillment is found not in the pursuit of excess, but in the cultivation of inner peace and balance. 4. Justice in deed. Upholding the pillars of fairness and integrity, she becomes a bastion of justice in a world often clouded by injustice. Her actions speak volumes, echoing the resounding call for equality and righteousness. With a steadfast resolve, she champions the rights of the marginalized and disenfranchised, standing as a beacon of hope in the face of oppression. In her pursuit of justice, she becomes the embodiment of moral rectitude and ethical fortitude. Her commitment to fairness knows no bounds, driving her to advocate tirelessly on behalf of those whose voices have been silenced by the roar of systemic inequality. She stands as a shining example of integrity and virtue, inspiring others to join her in the fight for a more just and equitable world. She inspires those around her to stand up for what is right and to fight against injustice with unwavering determination and unwavering grace, reminding them that true justice is not a privilege to be enjoyed by the few, but a right that belongs to all. 5. Resilience in adversity. Like a mighty oak weathering the fiercest storms, she stands tall amidst the tumult of life's challenges. Each setback becomes a stepping stone on her path to success, fueling her determination to rise above adversity. With an unyielding spirit as her compass, she navigates the turbulent waters of fate, emerging from the depths of despair with newfound strength and resilience. Her resilience is her greatest asset, empowering her to confront life's uncertainties with unwavering resolve and unwavering grace. She embraces adversity as an opportunity for growth, emerging from each trial stronger and more resilient than before. She inspires those around her to persevere in the face of adversity, reminding them that resilience is the key to overcoming life's challenges, and that true strength lies not in the absence of adversity, but in the ability to rise above it. 6. Compassion in heart. With a heart overflowing with boundless compassion, she extends kindness to all beings, irrespective of their circumstances. Empathy guides her interactions, allowing her to forge meaningful connections and understand the struggles of others. Her gestures of love and support serve as beacons of hope, illuminating the darkest corners of despair with the warm glow of compassion and understanding. In a world often marred by indifference and apathy, her compassion shines like a beacon of hope, inspiring others to embrace the transformative power of empathy and kindness. She embodies the true essence of compassion, spreading love and light wherever she goes. She inspires those around her to cultivate empathy and kindness in their own lives, reminding them that small acts of kindness can make a big difference in the lives of others, and that true fulfillment is found not in the pursuit of personal gain, but in the service of others. 7. Humility and success. Despite her accolades and accomplishments, she remains humble, cognizant of the contributions of others and the role of serendipity in her success. Her achievements serve not as monuments to vanity but as milestones on a journey of continuous growth and self-discovery. With humility as her guiding light, she navigates the peaks of triumph and the valleys of defeat with grace and equanimity. Her humility is her greatest strength, grounding her in the knowledge that true success lies not in accolades but in the pursuit of excellence and the cultivation of character. She embodies the true essence of humility, finding strength in vulnerability and wisdom in self-reflection. She inspires those around her to remain humble in the face of success, reminding them that true greatness lies in humility and self-awareness, and that the journey of self-discovery is never-ending. 8. Gratitude and abundance. Grateful for the myriad blessings bestowed upon her, she approaches each day with a heart overflowing with appreciation. From the gentle caress of the morning sun to the symphony of laughter shared with loved ones, she finds beauty in the simplest of moments. Her gratitude radiates like a beacon of light, illuminating the path with the warmth of thankfulness and the serenity of contentment. In a world often consumed by the pursuit of material wealth and superficial pleasures, her gratitude serves as a reminder of the intrinsic value of life's simple joys and the transformative power of a grateful heart. She embodies the true essence of gratitude, finding joy in the present moment and embracing life with open arms. She inspires those around her to cultivate an attitude of gratitude, reminding them that happiness is found not in the pursuit of external rewards, but in the appreciation of life's many blessings, and that true fulfillment is found not in the accumulation of wealth or possessions, but in the cultivation of a grateful heart and a contented spirit. As we bid farewell to the rarest woman in the world, we carry with us the profound lessons she imparted through her embodiment of courage, wisdom, temperance, justice, resilience, compassion, humility, and gratitude. Her legacy serves as a timeless reminder of the transformative power of virtuous living. Through her example, we are inspired to cultivate these virtues within ourselves, striving to make the world a better place through our actions and choices. May her spirit of strength, kindness, and grace continue to guide us on our own journeys, reminding us that true greatness lies not in accolades or achievements, but in the character we build and the lives we touch along the way. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.